Welcome back to another episode of my daily stock portfolio update. This is Fernando Herrera, and this is a video, pretty much a series where I deposit $1,000 into this Fidelity brokerage account, and I pretty much share my buys and my sales 3 times a week. So we started with $0. I've deposited a total of $7,000 in this account, and now we have over $8,000, meaning we've made over $1,000 in profits. Now today the indices are down, all of the indices are down, and I do predict that they're going to continue to go down because for the past few days we've had some positive green days. Now also I'm going to go over pretty much our biggest movers and losers, or winners and losers. Wells Fargo, Blok, and Bristol are our biggest gainers. Neo, Marvel, and Affirm are our biggest losers. I will be buying Affirm in just a moment so you guys can see my trade. But overall, let's go ahead and take a look at our portfolio. We have $8,160. Planet is pretty much our biggest gainer right now with 47% return so far and $259 of profit. This company I did buy at a very affordable price. Right now it's $7. I bought it somewhere around $350, or not $350, actually somewhere around $4 to $5, but then I averaged my way up into my $800 position. Now, with that being said, there are some interesting stocks that I do want to share with you guys today specifically. As you guys can see, I do have double-digit growth on some of these, but this company, Blok, right here, we bought this, I would say, around a week ago, and we already have 15% return. So definitely Blok is a company that you want to invest. And for those of you who don't know what Blok is, really the company name is called Amplified Transformational Data Sharing. It's an ETF, and it's an actively managed ETF that seeks to provide total return by investing at least 80% of its net assets in equity and securities of companies actively involved in the development and the utilizing of blockchain technology. So in my eyes, this is something that's definitely going to be towards the future because cryptocurrency is increasing in demand, and pretty much not in demand, but just people are starting to get it to know better. Banks, as you guys can see, Tesla invested in Bitcoin. Apple and MasterCard are going to start doing transaction in cryptocurrency, or at least Bitcoin. And so the bigger this becomes, the more companies that we will need, and the bigger the market will become. And this ETF, I do have hopes and really believe that this ETF could really reach a very, very impressive valuation in the future. But anyways, guys, with that being said, I also have another company called Affirm that I'm going to be buying today. Right now, as you can see, I'm going to be buying $25 of Affirm because Affirm is a company that I use in my website specifically to finance products to people who can't afford to buy it right now, and it just became public 2 to 3 months ago. It performed really well, and then right now it's been going down. So I think that right now Affirm is at a discount, especially with the future and the potential that this company is. It's more of a fintech kind of company, so I really like these type of companies. Also, I just mentioned Blok, so I'm also going to be investing $25 more into Blok. Currently, my value of Blok is only $40, so this is going to increase it to roughly $65. With that being said, I did not do any purchases or sales on Monday or Tuesday. I only received some dividends, a 25-cent dividend from ABOT and $2.17 dividend from a BV, which is quite good actually. It's a quite good dividend, knowing that's always pretty much cents. Now with that said, guys, I mean, that's it for today. I don't really have other plans for buying or selling. The market has been a little bit higher and a little stagnant, to be honest. It has not been as volatile as it's been for the past 6 months, but I don't feel that the selling is quite done just yet, and at this moment I'm just kind of like looking for new bull markets. Like for example, CVS, I've been hearing a lot of news and they reported top and bottom beats, but CVS is to play an important role really in the coronavirus vaccine implementation. So hopefully that stock performs well since we hold it. But another thing I do want to share with you guys today briefly is my cryptocurrency portfolio. We have $850 so far. I started this account with only $300, invested in Neo stock, and then now I'm slowly transforming it to cryptocurrency. So I'm currently using Webull. If you guys have never heard of Webull, it's pretty much where you could trade stocks and cryptocurrency commission free. It's a good alternative for Robinhood. So I know my wife uses Robinhood, but if you have not been satisfied or happy with Robinhood recently, Webull is a great place to get. You can actually go to the description on my video and click pretty much on the link to open a new account, and you could get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. So definitely something you want to take a look at. As you guys can see, Bitcoin did reach $51,000 today. So, I mean, the growth in this stock or in this cryptocurrency, it's like just crazy. I do think there's a lot more, and there's more momentum coming in. Probably not right now, and probably, yes, it will dip again significantly. But I do think that, again, blockchain and cryptocurrencies, it's here, and it's already coming to transform the whole banking industry. So over $140 in gains on our Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And then we still have 3 stocks of NEO. As you guys saw, I also kind of averaged out my purchases in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and I'm probably going to sell more of that NEO stock to continue buying. I will be doing another video on another company called crypto.com that promise you 8% cash back. There's a catch to it, but stay tuned, subscribe so that you kind of know and watch that video. It's going to be very, very interesting. But with that being said, guys, that's it for today. I really appreciate you watching the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again next Friday, or this Friday. Have a safe week.